We're here talking with Debra Crane. She is the divorce and family law attorney in the Dailey Law Firm, Chicago, and she is here to help us answer a couple of questions. Welcome back to the Law Show, Debra Crane.
Well, thank you, Brian.
Good. Hey, listen, we're going to talk to Tom right now. He's got a question on divorce for you. Hold on for a second. Tom, welcome to the Law Show.
Thanks, Brian. First, what I'd like to say, I really appreciate your show and what you do for everyone.
Well, thank you so much. And, I got to tell you, I got to give all that love back to everybody in Chicagoland because without you guys, I wouldn't exist. And we wouldn't be able to have Debra Crane here. And none of this would happen without the wonderful listeners of Chicagoland. And I got to tell you, people in Chicago are, in my opinion, the most wonderful, friendly people in the world. I grew up in Burlington, Iowa, and I spent a lot of time in Chicago. All right, so I'm going to get off the love boat right now. So, Tom, what's your question for Debra?
It's a post-degree for the divorce on education for my children who are in college now. And when we went into court, the judge said to both the parents, myself and my ex, that the children, when they seek their degree, or seek their education, they will pay a third. She would pay a third. I would pay a third. And in that, he also said that they need to review scholarships, grants, etc., to help themselves out. My one son received a scholarship and a grant from a community college in a local area, and he turned that down. Then he went to a big university, which I'm paying for now, and he received a scholarship down there, and he turned that down also. So that's my question.
Why did he turn the scholarships down?
Huh? Yeah, why?
Well, his mother said that he could go to any school that he wanted to go to, and he got the one at the local community college because his GPA was so high. They were going to pay for everything except for his books, and he turned it down. But they said, I have to pay for, the big university, which is in another state, out-of-state tuition, et cetera, et cetera.
So did you get, I was going to ask, did you say that there was another scholarship that was turned down?
Yes, when he got to the major university, he also was eligible for an NROTC scholarship, and he turned that down also. He said he didn't want to do that, and that's pretty hard to come by.
You said ROTC.
Well, Tom, I'm glad you called because, I think the two of you probably needed to be in front of a judge to help work this out. Nothing is retroactive, just so that you know. So if you have tuition coming up in September, we need to talk because you'll have to get a court order on that. The judge, if it's a real good student, they know what they want to do, the judge will not make them go to a junior college. But the judge will consider, they don't get to go to Harvard. I mean, they have to consider the income of the parents, ability to pay, how many children will be in college. There are a lot of factors.
Right.
So has he started college yet, Tom?
Yeah, he's in college. He's almost finished with his first year. I have been making my payments. The mother's been helping out, and he's been doing a work study in the school, and he's getting good grades. And then he has another brother that's older than him, and he did go to the community college, but now he's going to go to a 4-year school in Illinois. So, I got two kids in college, and it's quite a lump sum, but I'm paying it, and I'm doing the best I can.
Hey, Debra, can Tom do anything about the upcoming tuition for the next years in college? Is there anything that can be done about this?
Well, I think there would be, Tom. You don't have a carte blanche just to have you paying anything. There are many factors the court will look at, and like you said, if they're offered scholarships, maybe we can see about getting that amount deducted. I'm not promising that. I'm just thinking it's something we could ask for, and we need to explore the colleges that they turn down. This is not just straightforward, they decide and you pay. I mean, there are many factors to look at.
Debra Crane, that's our cue. We got to go. The Law Show is over on 89 WLS, but we're going to continue the Law Show Extra after we're off the air here. I want to thank everybody for being with us in Illinois, and also Mike on the boards out here. and Dave Scott and everybody that helps us out. Debra Crane, thank you for being on the air with us today. I hope you continue on the Law Show Extra. If you haven't gotten an answer to your question, stay on the line or call us right now at 855-LAW-SHOW. The Law Show Extra continues. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show studios in the Windy City, Chicago on 89 AM WLS. If you've got a legal question, call us, 855-LAW-SHOW.